Let's do a gel manicure at home. Save us some coins, okay? Now, this is what you're gonna need. A cuticle pusher, nippers, and drill bit. Please do not be hard-headed like me. Use a 180 grit file. Go in one direction. Do not go back and forth. That motion is for acrylic or something similar to that. It's just too harsh of a motion for your natural nails. But I'm hard-headed, so I did it anyway. So if you do it, that's your business, girl. Now get your cuticle pusher, push back on the skin, and then push up, creating a pocket. Let's stop right here. I'm going to show you how to use an e-file. On the left side is the power on or off. On the right side is forward or reverse. In the middle is the speed control. If you are right-handed, go forward. And if you are left-handed, go reverse. As you're prepping your natural nails, the speed should be on low, unless you're trying to catch your nails on fire. And if so, that's your business, girl. Never change direction while the power is on, but you can increase the speed while the power is on. Now we got the basics down. We're going to take this cuticle bit that I got from Amazon. Just look it up. Matter of fact, I'll just have it linked down below. Now, do not be digging in your nail bed. Girl, have a light hand, okay? And go around the cuticle. This is another cuticle bit. Once again, I'll have it linked down below. But I am lifting up or pushing back on the skin, basically creating a pocket. It's like creating more room so it looks like the manicure grew out of your fingernails. I really hope that makes sense. This is what the nails look like with it pushed back. Now it is time to cut them cuticles, girl. I don't know if you know how to use one, but you know I'm about to show you how, right? Now your cuticles are dead. That means while you're cutting, if it hurts, it was live skin. Now go get your sanding bit. Let me guess. You gonna need me to link that down below too? That's fine, girl. It be down there. Now when it comes to this sanding band, lay it flat on your nails, okay? Don't have your hand angled up, because you're going to dig in your natural nail plate. And you may experience some ring of fire. Now, have I done it? Maybe. I mean, what can I say? Girl, this is a judgment-free zone. But it happens, okay? So that's why I'm trying to tell you how to do it. Keep your hand or the drill bit parallel to your natural nail plate. The more you have your hand tilted down, the more it's a 45-degree angle, the more you gonna dig in that plate. And another thing, we just etching the surface, removing the natural oils and shine. So all that requires is a light hand. You see? Now go get some alcohol or a dehydrator and a primer. The alcohol could be to remove the dust, or the dehydrator can just dehydrate more. Where there is no oil, the nails should last longer. Now me, I'm dramatic. You may not know this, but my first love is acrylic. So baby, my thought process is it needs to last. So what I normally do is double prime. Double prime means do all 5 fingers, and then as you work, finger by finger, add a layer of primer. Now, is that dramatic for a gel manicure? Maybe. Did I do it on this set? No, I did not. Was I running low on primer? Yes, I was. If I was not, would I double prime? That is a hard baby. Do with that as you wish. Girl, get your base coat and your polish. Get ready to paint your nails. Now, wait. You know I got something to tell you. And that is, wherever the base coat goes is where the gel polish will stick. Now, I have wide nail beds. So to my girlies that have wide nail beds but love a skinny nail down, I mean love it down, I'm going to show you what you need to do. Now, this ain't for the anal girls, because like I said, it's wide. And who wants a wide gel manicure? You see how skinny that is? Look at your nails from a bird's eye view while painting. And how you like it skinny, just don't paint there. Who's examining your nails like this? No one. This is for my wide nail girlies. That's it. Look at how you're painting. Envision your skinny and carve it out with the actual color. Do not. You see, like, watch. You see, like, boom. Now look at it from afar, like, boom. You know what I'm saying? You can't even really tell. You come over here and you carve it out. Okay, you cover as much of the nail as possible, but make sure, because if you go all the way over there, your shit gonna be wide. That's just a buck. I'm gonna keep it a buck with you. It's gonna be wide. We don't want it wide. We want our skinny manicure. Now let me show you up close. You see, I left that side alone. Don't make your shit wide. Now don't tell me I ain't never put you on. Cause you know them girlies in the shop, they would go side to side. Look how nice and skinny them bitches look. Now I was also running low on top coat. So this is what the nails look like after the top coat. Just a tip, while you doing your nails, just flip the bottle upside down if you running low. And then to cap the edge with the top coat at the end. Cause girl, I totally forgot. And one of my nails is already chipping. But that's because I don't do gel manicure. I already told you my first love is acrylic. But I'm getting into my mommy girl era. But anyways, after the top coat is cured, go crisping up the edges. Of course, because we need a clean and crisp gel manicure. Ain't nobody came over here to play. I want to look like that mommy that do Pilates. But I don't really do Pilates. But y'all already know that. But she is good for a game of tennis now, okay? She got a mean backhand. But anyways, getting off topic. Just crisping up your free edge so it's nice and clean. Don't forget, one motion. But if you don't, what did I say? That's your business, girl. Now guess what? I bet you thought I got that from Amazon. No, I did not. I got the cuticle oil from Target. It's coconut flavored. Well, maybe not flavored. It's coconut scented. Now, you can very much well stop right here. But why would we do that? What kind of fun would that be? None. We're going to put the cuticle oil on as normal. In my case, on all 5 fingers. But in yours, hopefully all 10. Now, here's a fun fact that absolutely no one asked for. As a licensed nail tech and a content creator, baby, I do not know how to do my other hand. Judge me not. But guess what? With the will, there is a way. So you know what I would do? A pop-off set on my left side, take it off, and then glue it on my right side. And then do it all over again on my left side. Baby, my grandma always told me, you have to improvise with what you got. So do with that as you wish. But let's get back to what we doing here. And that is going over the cuticle with the cuticle bit. If you can, use a different one from what you used earlier. We don't need no cross-contamination. Ain't nobody got time to get no salmonella poison in there. I just joke. But yes, go over the cuticle with the cuticle oil in the drill bit. It's kind of like massaging the oil in. Because I don't know about you, but my hands was a little ashy. So it's going to help give it a little polished look. Help give it a little And then once you're done, you just go back over your fingers with some more cuticle oil. And then it's going to give like a chef kiss, like something that a salon can't give you. And then if they do give it to you, because let's be for real, them girlies gonna find a way to give it to you, but you gonna pay, because they gonna be like, it's a Russian manicure with the gel polish and skinny nails. So for the Russian part, it's $35 extra. For the gel, it's $15 extra. But wait, I thought it was a gel manicure. But yes, it's extra because it's not a manicure. It's a gel manicure. And don't forget, you wanted it skinny. So that's $5 extra. So your grand total is $145 plus tip. So this is a grand savings of $120 plus tip. Matter of fact, you don't have to pat yourself on the back. That's the tip. Because you did that, girl. Look at that. Tell me that don't look so long quality. Tell me, baby. Yes. Thank you guys for watching that video. I hope you save some coins, because you can do it yourself at home. Period. And I'm going to see you on the next video, okay? Look at these skinny nails, skinny gel manicure. Yes. And then, girl, listen, baby, you better make it work. You save your coins. Bye.